In this system demonstration, I'm going to show you how to complete a quote, send an invitation to a patient to apply, and the steps a patient will follow to complete a payment plan application, all in about 5 minutes. To quote, enter the total cost of the treatment plan and click Next. You'll then see the two product options, the Smile Choice Zero Deposit Loan and the Smile Choice Interest-Free Payment Plan. On this screen, it's important to show the patients the repayment amounts for each product and explain the respective deposits required for each. In this example, we'll choose the interest-free payment plan. We need to ask the patient 3 questions to ensure they qualify to apply for a payment plan. Are you an Australian resident? Can you afford payments of $625 per month? Do you have a good credit history that you're aware of? The quote is complete. If the answers are yes to the previous questions, you'll see this screen which confirms that the patient qualifies to apply for a payment plan. When you click this button, you'll be able to invite your patient to apply. The invitation to apply for an interest-free payment plan will be completed by a staff member in the dental practice and will be completed in 2 screens. To do this, simply complete the patient name and contact details and upload a copy of the treatment plan like this. It's important that you enter the correct mobile number and email address for the patient, as there will be electronic communication with the patient during the application process. You'll also need to input the treatment plan amounts and the deposit to be paid by the patient. Once you've inputted these details, click Next. This screen allows the practice to invite the patient to apply for one of the Smile Choice products. Check to make sure that you have the right email address before you click Submit, and an email will be sent to the patient to apply. The patient will receive an email from the practice with a link in it. That link will take them to this screen. All inputting from here will be done by the patient. It's a simple process and will take less than 5 minutes for the patients to complete. To make the process easy, the patient details will be pre-populated from the information completed in the dental practice. The patient will also need to complete their address details and preferred method of contact in case we need to speak with them about their application. One great feature about this system is if the patient can't complete the application in one sitting, the system will automatically save the information completed and allow the patient to complete the application when they next access the system. The patient will need to input their driver's license details into the system, and once they're done, click Continue. The system will then conduct a credit check, and as long as the patient has a good credit history, the payment plan application will be approved. From here, to complete the application, the patient will need to complete their bank details, electronically sign the contract, and submit the documents online. The patient simply fills in their bank details of the account the direct debit payments will be taken from. The patient will then need to read through the payment plan agreement, and if everything is correct, click on Continue. A copy of this is emailed to the patient, but can also be printed from this point. The patient then simply reads to confirm that all the information in the direct debit form are correct. To complete the contract, the patient needs to click Yes to confirm the declaration and type Yes to accept the contract before clicking Continue. Once the patient clicks on Continue, they will receive a text message with a 5-digit code that they need to type in to validate the contract. The payment plan application is now complete. Both the patient and the practice will receive a notification of this. The practice can arrange for treatment to begin.